Hi, I'm Sean Hobson, one of 3M's authorized trainers. And surface preparation is a vital step in the preparation for installing paint protection film. And there's a few basic things we want to do to get the paint ready. First and foremost, we want to make sure there are no existing ceramic coatings on the car. If there is a coating present on the car, that's going to have to be removed first. And the customer will have to decide whether they want to get that taken care of or have you do it, because it will involve most likely using a machine to polish that coating off. From there on, we want to thoroughly wash the car, pressure wash it preferably in order to blow out any debris around lights, emblems, and grills. And then we'll proceed to just stripping the paint down to its clear coat. We'll show you how it's done. Now that the car has been thoroughly washed, we're going to clay bar the paint using 3M's Perfected Cleaner Clay. So we're going to use the clay and we're going to spray our slip solution on the surface and on the clay bar. And so we'll just thoroughly massage the surface of the paint in a nice organized pattern. And this is going to remove any embedded contaminants that are in the clear coat, giving you the smoothest possible surface to work on. So now that our surface is relatively smooth from the clay bar, we're going to transition to something to degrease the surface with, or strip off any waxes or other contaminants that may be on there. You can use a bug and tar remover, or 3M's general purpose adhesive remover works very effectively for this. So now that we've stripped off any waxes or contaminants that are on the surface, we've pretty much got the paint down to the clear coat where we want it. The last step would be using an alcohol solution to do a final wipe down. This will remove any other contaminants, but also any residues left from those other chemicals. So one last suggestion with regards to going through all of these steps for surface preparation is give careful attention to the edges of the body panel. Usually if paint protection film fails due to an installation issue, it's because of poor prep around edges, and the result is edges lifting. So if you're going to wrap the surface, again, pay careful attention to the underside surface as well, going through these steps for preparation. If you do, you should have a successful install.